All right, now it's time to crack this vault. It's a pretty simple process. Basically what happens when you crack this vault is you crack it and it's basically burning it. That's kind of what the same name is, but in Emblem Vault, we say crack. You're gonna wanna confirm the transaction fee. This is $2.55. So the cracking of the vault is about 1/4 the price of minting it. Just keep that in mind. So total for vaulting and unvaulting, it's cost me about $12 at a 15 to 18 GOI price. So you can see here it's claiming, and sometimes it'll take a second depending on the congestion of the network. It's gonna give you a set of keys. It's gonna give you a set of keys to every wallet that's shown here in the deposits. And it's also gonna give you a mnemonic phrase, which is the bunch of words. So here, to check that it's been cracked, see here it says claimed. The owner address is reset to 000x000, which showed before, and you're gonna get the keys. And so you're gonna actually have to sign the message to get the keys. You're the only one that can see these keys, and they will always be here. Let's say you accidentally exit out of this page, and for some reason you don't know where to go. It won't show on OpenSea anymore. You go over here to My Vaults, and then you go to claimed. And then from the claimed vaults, it'll show you which one is here. And so I believe this one was ours. Yeah, so you're gonna want, see it's right here, it also says claimed, not for sale. So we have the keys. Again, so we're gonna have to sign this message again. And you can see also up here in the corner that my CoVol has been disappearing. You basically are giving a mnemonic phrase, which is the string of words, 12 words, which you can't see, and then the Mona private key. There's two ways to do this. You can import the private key into the wallet or copy and paste the mnemonic phrase into an input when you're signing into a wallet. You can either do it through Mpurse. Mpurse, you have to upload the private key, or you could do it through Monaparty, the sign in on that web page, which is right down here, right? So when you go to sign in on Monaparty, you can see down here, you can open your purse or you can retrieve a token. And so you basically copy that and you hit open. I copied my seed phrase, and you can see right here, voila, you see one Mona SegWit. So this is the wallet, and this will always sit in here. You'll always be able to retrieve this until you send it out, and then that vault is burnt forever. One word of advice is if you're actually going to take this SegWit, this Mona SegWit, and either send it to a different wallet or use it for some transactional purposes, you're probably going to need Mona in your wallet to use it as a gas fee, essentially. So a hint is to send Mona to the vault after you're done unvaulting it, or I could just send Mona here, and then you're going to want to send them the Mona SegWit out. You can't send Mona SegWit out of this wallet without having Mona token in there because of the gas fees. So basically that's how you crack a vault, and this is how you get the asset. From here, it's up to you what you want to do, but the vault will always remain here. Again, if you decide that you don't want to send it anywhere, you can go to your vaults and then you hit claimed, and it'll show you all of the vaults that you have claimed, but you haven't transferred the token out. So the private keys for each one of these individual ones still sits here. The Emblem Vault does not sit on the website. It sits here in your little sign in, and you can get those private keys and do whatever you want with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped a lot. Feel free to please follow Emblem Vault on Twitter, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Put some notifications on. Give Emblem Vault a thumbs up. Give me a follow, and we'll see you guys next time on the next tutorial.